pane leaked letter iri kuonekwa kunzi opa muchinguri leaked letter panguva ino ichinzi aiwa dissolution of ZANU-PF Harare province structure. Sara vena mashoko buda nyoko panguva ino iri subscribe like on the bell. So muri kuona in the video muri kuona inobuda nyoko ichinzi the national chairperson ZANU-PF comrade OCZ Muchinguri 5 July 2025. Dear Chairman, dissolution of ZANU-PF Harare province structure. I'm writing to bring to your attention a matter of grave concern regarding the Harare province structure of our beloved party. The recent unanimous endorsement of Godakoshe Tagure, a non-party member, to a position on the Central Committee has brought the name of ZANU-PF into this report. The process was unprocedural. The party members were demoralized by the blatant disregard of our constitution. Tagure's co-option was a clear violation of the party procedures, and it sends a wrong message that financial muscle can secure party positions. This undermines the principles of our party. It demoralizes the dedicated cadres. Tagure was never denied a chance to join ZANU-PF, so he should regularize the membership. The Harare province structures will fully and knowingly disregarded the party constitution, likely for financial benefits from Tagure. Given the gravity of the situation, I strongly recommend that the Harare province structures be dissolved and an interim structure be put in place until the next elections. I implore you to treat this matter with urgency. It deserves and take necessary actions to restore the integrity of our party. Yours comradely, Konzai Keda, CC, the ZANU-PF First Secretary, Comrade Idi Mnangagwa. Tomashwa rubuda panguva ino this letter yamuri kuona yemunhu ari kuchema achikomplaina pamusoro pezviri kuitika the ruling party naodzana Tagure achiti aiwa panguva ino muri kuviolata aiwa constitution yeZANU-PF kunoonekwa kunzi aiwa vana kuda kwachitagurei vari kukwanisa aiwa kuita chip in aiwa mumastructures the ruling party ZANU-PF nokuda kuti aiwa vakomana vane mari but zvinoonekwa kunzi hazvisiri izvo. Loyalty mubato haingatengwi nemari. Vari kunoonekwa kunzi kune vamwe aiwa macomrades akarwa hondo vanoonekwa kunzi they've bought their membership in the ruling party ZANU-PF aiwa nekumiririra kana kushowa hunyanzvi muthe liberation war then mumwe ungwe achizongotenga the loyalty. Hazviiti ndozviri kurambwa. Mina kumasection medu mutizimafukuro enyu moti kudii pamusoro pechitwo ichi. So subscribe or like, check on the bell icon.